Yeah, good morning again. In the last class, we have seen the frequency at which the voltages across LNC would become maximum using these waveforms. Okay, which we have uh, this plot actually, the plot for the voltage across capacitor and the plot for voltage across the inductor. Using these plots, we tried looking at how the voltage across capacitor would vary with frequency. Okay, and at what frequency the voltage across the capacitor would become maximum. Similarly, at what frequency the voltage across the inductor would become maximum. The voltage across the resistor. Okay, see, the voltage across the resistor would become maximum at resonance, whereas voltage across the capacitor would be maximum before reaching the resonance, and the voltage across the inductor would be maximum before reaching the after reaching the resonance, because FL comes after F naught. This much we had discussed, and we also derived the equation for FL, at which VL would become VL max. Okay, so how did we go about that? Okay, okay, we have found out VC. Okay, see here, we have not found out VL, but we have found out the frequency for VL max, VC max rather. See a frequency for VC max. What is that? This is VC. So when VC reaches its maximum, it becomes VC max. So the frequency at which VC becomes VC max is something that we have found out. The equation for that we have derived in the last class. How did we go for that? See, we first considered the voltage across the capacitor. Fine. Now, similarly, similarly, we need to get the frequency for VL max. Now, everybody's okay with that? Okay. Now we have to find out VL max. How to find out that? Can you just do that by seeing this particular derivation? Can you go about that? Try that now, everybody. So now if you go on differentiating this, okay, at the end you will find an equation like this. Yeah, anybody who's got this, or maybe it is in a different form. Anybody, if you have got, you can unmute yourself. Sushmita, you've got it.
No, sir.
Yeah, you have unmuted. Those you have done, you unmute yourselves and give me the answer. Those you have got this. Nobody has got? Okay. Just try get that. Okay. Because waiting here for that would take a lot of time. So it's omega square. If I take common, you will get 2LC minus R square C square. Okay. Equal to 2. So how does omega looks like now? How does omega look like? It looks omega square rather. Omega square would rather look like 2 by 2LC minus R square C square. Okay. So if you go further, it would look like, so you're just dividing the whole equation by 2. It looks like LC minus R squared C squared by 2. Fine. This is your omega square. Fine. So this imply what would this imply? What would be our omega then from this? It would be 1 by square root of LC minus R squared C squared by 2. Okay. So after getting omega, we need to be writing the same equation in terms of F. Since we are finding the equation for the frequency at which VL would be maximum, I'll call that as FL. Therefore, FL is 1 by 2 pi into square root of LC minus R squared C squared by 2. Fine. Now we can take root LC out so that I can express this equation in terms of F naught. Okay. So what would be left behind if you do this? So it would be square root of square root of LC I've taken out, so you'll be left with 1 here minus R squared C. 1 C is taken out as root C. Okay. I need 2 L here. Everybody understand that? So this is how the equation looks like, and we all know that 1 by 2 pi RC is F naught. Okay, since F naught is equal to 1 by 2 pi root LC implies that our FL is F naught divided by root 1 minus R squared C by 2L. Okay, so if you get this, you should not be having any problem. Okay, so this I have not done. What should be done here is this is what we've done. Okay, so if you do that, we have to get this equation. This equation we have to get. Fine. So I've not done the total, the full derivation. Okay, you're doing it yourselves. Fine. But you should be getting this particular equation. Understand that? Now, we shall move on with another concept. Okay. Before that, since I'm handling the next session also, I would like to stop this session. Okay, and I'll be continuing with the next session after I end this particular session. Okay, so I'm ending this. I want everybody to again re-log in because I want more time for the next next concept that I'm discussing. So I want you to maybe I'll give you 5 minutes time. Okay, and I'll be logging in using the same login ID. You can log in, everybody. Okay, so I'm stopping the meeting now.